Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Guide, and today we're going to see that how you can delete your TikTok seller account. So you can see that I've logged into my account. It's the same account on my mobile, bratlove69. So now you have to open your mobile, and from here you have to open TikTok, and you have to see that the same account is logged in here, bratlove69. And from here you need to go to settings, and from here you have to click on account, and here you can see the option that deactivate or delete account. So now you can simply delete your account from here, or you can deactivate it for a temporary time. So after this, your TikTok account and seller account both will be deleted. So this was that simple. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.